Bonjour. Today we're going to learn about le verbe prendre au présent. The verb prendre means to take, and it also means to have when we're using it with foods. We must remember, though, that if we want to say that we have something in any other sense, we need to use avoir. Prendre is an irregular verb. We must remember to pay particular attention to both its spelling and pronunciation. So here's a look at the different forms. Je prends, tu prends, il, elle ou on prend. In the singular forms, we need to remember that the il, elle, on form is spelled without the final S, but the je and the tu forms are both the same. The plural forms are nous prenons, note how we drop the D now and we add our ONS ending, vous prenez, and finally il and elles prennent. What's mostly unusual about this is we have a double N in the il, elles plural form. Here are a couple sample sentences. Je prends le car scolaire pour aller à l'école. Les voisins ne prennent pas l'ascenseur. Je vais prendre un coca. And this is to remind us that whenever we're going to use a verb plus the infinitive construction, that we have to put prendre back in its infinitive. The same would be true if we were saying that you like to have something. J'aime prendre un coca. There are other verbs that are very like prendre by simply adding prefixes to them. The verb apprendre means to learn, and comprendre means to understand. They are conjugated the same way as prendre. On apprend beaucoup à l'école. Vous comprenez le français, n'est-ce pas? And finally, les deux amis apprennent l'anglais. Let's have a little practice then with our verb prendre. You'll see a series of sentences with which you must complete in the correct form of the verb that they're asking you to use. You can go ahead and pause this video, and when you're ready to see what the answers are, go ahead and hit play again. Here are the answers to the questions. You would say prend in both cases with an S because the tu and the je form are the same. Mon grand-père is my grandfather, so it's the il form. Ils ne prennent or comprennent pas la géométrie. We notice that the il form in the plural is the form with the double N. Nous apprenons les noms de tous les élèves dans notre classe. This is the new form, so we've dropped the D and added our ONS ending. And in the vous form, vous prenez, and then again we use the je prends form, which is just the je form. That is it for all of the verbs that are like prendre. Merci.